Okay, so we built this app, and when you click on the button, the phone vibrates and it speaks out meow. Okay, and by click on the button, what I mean is when the user clicks on the cat that shows up on the phone, this stuff happens. Okay, now we're going to change it. We're going to make it so when the user shakes the phone, we'll also play a sound of the cat meowing. Okay, so if they click it, we'll have it speak meow, but otherwise we'll actually play a sound of a cat playing. Okay, so we're going to keep this event. And what I'm going to show you is very important because what I want you to realize is an app is made up of event handlers. Right? This whole thing's an event handler. We have one event handler right now. The only thing our app responds to is the user clicking a button. But we're going to make it so our app responds to another event as well, and that's the user shaking the phone. Okay, first thing we need to do is we need another component. And so Android and all phones have these sensors, right? So we're going to need to grab a sensor, and the sensor we're going to want is called the accelerometer sensor. Okay, it kind of knows if the phone is moving and how fast it's moving. Sorry, you need to drag it right up on the screen, and then it kind of jumps down into the non-visible area. So the user's not going to see this sensor, but your app's going to use it. Okay, so it's a non-visible component. So back to the blocks editor. So we know what happens on a click. Now we're going to go to accelerometer sensor and grab this shaking event. Okay, so now our app's going to have two event handlers, and it's going to deal with two different things that can happen. And when the user shakes the phone, we're going to play the sound of that cat. Remember that sound.play, right? Sorry. That sound.play is just telling us to play this meow.mp3 file. Meow. That's what it's going to do. Okay, so I can't show you this in the emulator. You have to try it on your phone. But now your app should work so that if you touch the cat, you're going to hear meow and the vibration. Okay, but if you shake your phone, it's going to play the kitty sound.